a small friend to talk with you again. Cause a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of a sigh. Restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street light. I turned my collar to the cold and the dark. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night, touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voice never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool said I heard I know silence like a cancer from the words that I might teach you. Take my arms and I might reach out to you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed its warning, and the words that it was forming said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and the tenement